surprise.
Give me that.
On our YouTube channel, so we want to do it in this Valentine's Day. So that's why we got this.
So Poopsie surprise is basically just a toy inside. It's a poop and it has all these
Slime, these ingredients to make slime.
and there's
There's a mixture what makes it smell good.
there's a scent. It's a mystery scent, and we get to smell and see. And basically, first make slime, add magic, changes color, and collect and store slime inside the container.
And we're going to do the character.
So if you would like to know what this looks like, I'm gonna go get them while you tell them more about this.
Get what?
Poopsie.
Oh. And so we have the other Poopsie, what we got earlier. No, like earlier. And so we just have it. Yeah.
Okay.
And
So this is what it looks like when you unbox it, and there's
Unwrap
these cups. Unwrap it. There's these cups
and we have
and the mystery scent.
and that's pineapple.
Yeah. So here's these. Elijah, don't do that. You're gonna probably break it. So here's these. And the poop that we got is someone from Taco Bell. And it says that smells. And it says welcome to the after party. Open late.
And this says Taco Bell?
No, it says that smells. And you open the space up,
It's
and
hard.
you play with the slime. But this slime's kind of hard for some reason.
We need like a container so that.
But at least it kind of fits. At least it fits, right?
Yeah. And the cup has a lid. What's in there? And it's a cool lid. We shake it up, but first we like get the ingredients out, and then we do the cup, and then we just do everything, and then we make slime, and then we get the poop out.
Poop out.
Yeah, the poop. Wow. The poop.
And the top is so cool because it's like a little shimmery. If you could see, it's like, I don't know if you guys could see, but it's all shimmery. I don't know. No. All right, now let's open it.
How do we open it? Oh, I don't know.
What are you doing? You just get a paintbrush. You don't get a paintbrush.
No! That's the...
Behind the scenes, everybody. You're using a paint. Elijah, you just.
Yay!
Elijah, no, there's an easier way to do this. You just go like this.
Get that one.
Okay. Are you okay? Anyway. So,
Open it.
so now we just unroll this toilet roll. Elijah, come over here. And
I'm out. No,
and it says unroll here.
So let's do it.
Take off the sticker.
And the sticker wrap around here.
What?
Wrap around here.
What do you mean forever?
Wrap around the paintbrush.
It's gonna go like this.
gotta open the cup first.
Wait. And then here's the
What?
Oh wait, this is the poop. This is the other cup. So that's the poop. That's the other cup. And here's the instructions.
Wait, so this is the cup?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then here's the sheets.
And what is this then?
That's the cup.
The cup?
Yes.
The cup?
This is a measuring cup for the water. That's the cup.
I want to see the cup.
Okay, wait.
Wait. Let's see. The measuring cup.
Let's see what the measuring cup looks like.
It's
Whoa!
big, sparkly.
Pink and sparkly.
I think, guys, focus. When you see the sparkles.
Yeah, sparkly.
Then I will open the cup.
Wait. Gotta get everything situated.
Hey, we already know how to do
There.
this.
Okay, now open the cup.
Whoa!
Whoa! We got a Slurpee.
I'm so cool.
Let's open
First, I thought that was slime.
He thought that this was slime. So, first,
That looks like a poop.
okay, measure this last time you did this, so I'm gonna just do it.
Yeah, can I do
Wait, last time you knocked over the water.
it? That was Kylo's fault.
You just go like this. Just like press down.
You'll hear the sound.
I'm gonna take out the where's the spoon? Okay, here's the magic spoon. I'm gonna take out the spoon because I don't want to use my fingers to see if it's ready or not. So let's see. I guess there's no. What are you doing? Oh wait, we forgot to add, guys. Oh my god, we forgot to add this surprise scent. Oh no. Let's see. Elijah, we forgot to add the surprise scent.
Can I smell some?
Wait, we gotta do it after. Sorry guys.
Oh, crap, my bed.
Now it's 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Stir. Elijah!
What?
It's supposed to be Kaya and Elijah show, not Kaya's show.
Oh.
So right now I'm just mixing and it seems really nice. So
Wait, what does it
here's the
smell
slime.
like?
Wait. It smells super good. Now let me take it out. This. Elijah. Bye now, delete Kaya and Elijah show channel. Anywho, we gotta get this really fast. I'm so sorry, guys. Elijah! Elijah, I'm deleting the channel! Anywho, here's the slime. It's very cool. Elijah, why you keep on going away? Elijah. Not funny. No one's laughing here. Okay. Anyway, here's the slime. It's very cool and it smells very nice. Now it says to put the unicorn magic and sprinkle it in.
So then,
But I don't want to get my hands messy, so I'm going to put it on this. Like last time. So I'm just going to... Right now, I'm just going to put this right here. And
then can I open it?
I'll record right now.
I want to open it. You mix us the slime, and then you play with it.
Elijah! Sorry guys, Elijah does not want to be in this video right now. Elijah's not funny. Okay.
I can make these my hands. No. Why?
Your hands will get so much. I'm just gonna use my hands.
It doesn't matter.
Yo, I don't want my hands messy, but I have to because it's live. Why did I just say it like that?
What did you say?
I just said it's life.
That's fine. You said that's fine.
What? I did not say F dive. Oh my god, look at what I got for the poop!
What?
Haha, you can't go away.
Why?
Because when you go away, I'm gonna open the poop. Without you. So here is, I'm so sorry of my messy hands, but here is the slime. It's so pretty, huh?
Can I see? Can I say? Can I smell?
Just smells. Just like smells. Okay.
Smells bad.
Okay, anyway. Now we gotta open up the poop. And we gotta put that.
It smells like a trash. What is the poop?
It's one of the one I wanted.
So wait, what is it? Where's the collector? The collector.
Anyway, I'm just gonna put it in
Which
here.
character did we get?
Okay, let's see what we got. So here. And we got Puffer.
Puffer. We got Puffer. Bye-bye.
Okay, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm so sorry that Elijah keeps on running away. I did not expect that. Bye.